In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in eBay. If your inbox is overflowing with alerts you don't need, or you just want a quieter experience while you shop or sell, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so you only receive the updates that matter. Start by opening eBay in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click My eBay. This is your personal hub for everything related to your account and activity. When the My eBay page opens, find and select the Account tab. This is where all your settings live, including your communication and notification controls. Next, click Communication Preferences. This section is dedicated to how and when eBay reaches out to you. You'll see a set of categories, typically including buying, selling, promotions, and messages. Think of these as buckets for different types of updates. Buying covers things like updates on items you're watching or bidding on. Selling includes alerts related to your listings, offers, and buyer interactions. Promotions is where you'll find marketing emails and special offers. Messages focuses on communication through eBay's internal messaging system. To fine-tune what you receive, click Show beside the category you want to manage. This expands the section and reveals specific types of notifications within that category. Take a moment to read the description so you understand exactly what each option controls. If there are notifications or emails you want to stop, simply uncheck those boxes. This might include promotional emails you don't find helpful or status updates you prefer to check manually. Be selective rather than turning everything off at once so you don't miss something important like order confirmations or messages from buyers and sellers. After you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom of that section and click Save. This is a critical step. Your changes won't apply unless you save them. If you have more than one category to adjust, repeat the same process. Click Show, uncheck what you don't want, and click Save again. It's a good idea to revisit these settings occasionally, especially if your buying or selling habits change over time. That's it. By using My eBay, going to Account, opening Communication Preferences, expanding each category with Show, unchecking what you don't need, and clicking Save, you'll have a cleaner, quieter eBay experience tailored to you. Thanks for watching and enjoy the peace of fewer notifications.